In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms interrogatifs, but we will see more precisely quoi. So, what are les pronoms interrogatifs? Well, we'll have two things to answer. That's the first one. The interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions about people, things, or choices. And the second thing, their usage depends on the type of information you want to inquire about. So, this lesson is about quoi, and the interrogative pronoun quoi can be translated into English as what or anything. Let's see some examples with quoi. Tu fais quoi ce soir? Tu fais quoi ce soir? Il a dit quoi exactement? Il a dit quoi exactement? Tu veux quoi en fait? Tu veux quoi en fait? Quoi de neuf? Quoi de neuf?